icy surfaces, slippery slopes, and rocky ground. For traction in the toughest terrains, you need TrackGrip. Our track attachments fit a wide range of makes and models for excavators, skid steers, and track vehicles, providing safety, stability, and traction with exceptional sideways protection. A customized solution for all vehicles, easy to install, with no drilling or welding required. Operators can stay safe in previously unworkable weather conditions and enjoy improved productivity, no matter the season, whatever the terrain, all year round. Go hard. TrackGrip, tougher than the toughest terrain. Inquire with your local dealer today.